Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to force a user to change their password at the next logon on their Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best match to go back with Control Panel right above App, so go ahead and left click on that. Select View By and select the large icons, and then select Administrative Tools. You want to open up the Computer Management shortcut. Expand the Local Users and Groups section on the left side here, and then just left click on the Users folder. Keep in mind, also if you ever wanted to create a new user account without going through all the new modern settings UI, you can always just right click on this users folder and then select a new user and just create it right here. So in my opinion, this is actually probably one of the better ways to create a new user account on your computer. But that's just a little side note, something that doesn't want to do too much this video, but just want to put that out there. It might be a little easier for you guys in the future. So let's say this mic account is the one that we want to change the password settings for. So go ahead and double click on that. You want to check mark where it says user must change password at next logon, then select apply and OK. So next time the computer restarts and the user has to sign in, they will be prompted to change their password, enter in their old one, and then enter in the new password. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.